Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video. I hope you are also going to do some sort of practice of this cue card, which is very easy. And I have practiced multiple times, and I'm going to start speaking on this cue card as well. The cue card is about describing a time when you got something for free. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video. And nowadays I feel like I don't need to write some sort of word which can help, because I basically create some sort of situation, and mostly if you are having that much of a situation in your life, so it is very easy to basically speak comparison to collecting thoughts and just doing brainstorming, because that is also a good part. So let's get started with this video. So in my life there are not much thing which I've got for free. And every times whenever I got some sort of things, so I try to basically give back some sort of money or some sort of things related to that, because I always feel like whenever we are getting something, we need to give something from our side as well. That's how we can basically be a reasonable to every person. So there was a time when I visited one of my relative over there. I just spent 2 to 3 days, and basically at the point I didn't have some sort of clothes to wear for 3 days, because I just planned to visit only one day, but they told us to wait basically to leave some more days so that we can basically see some sort of important place over there. And so I got basically one clothes of t-shirt basically got from my relatives. I actually feel like very great, and in that particular t-shirt I was looking good, and it was a very fit as well. And so that basically after seeing that, they basically told me like, you can basically take this, and that is very kind for me. Basically I don't want to basically take it, but yeah, because if some sort of elder, or you can say elder people are telling you to do this, so you need to basically do this. There is no argument such as. So that was a situation where I got basically this kind of t-shirt, and I always try to wear very less, because whenever somebody is giving something to you, you need to actually show them that you are taking care of it, and you need to basically try to show that how much this important, basically the relation is very important, right? So that's how the things works. And I think probably I have spoken around more than 2 minutes. That is what my major goal is, and I try to upload videos around 1 to 4 minutes, because that is very easy to basically understand people me, because the more time of video I upload, the difficult it is for me, because there are a lot of things which I need to do after recording my videos. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.